Alright. Same thing, different day. Welcome back here to Big Tangy Dirty Bird YouTube channel. We done rolled out a roll of hay, just one today. Didn't finish all that stuff that I rolled out last night, so I ain't putting no more out than I have to. Like I say, it's still March. I think it's March the 8th today. I think that's right. Or the 7th. One of the other. I can't remember. Ain't nobody told you today. I love you and I mean it. Now Jesus loves you way more than I do. It's been a pretty day today. A little muddy. You know, all that whatnot. Old White Rocks over there looking good today. The big city of Tazewell over there. Didn't see no deer, didn't see none this evening. Must have got all of it out yesterday, right? And resting today. Shut this gap. Some people cause it a gap, some people cause it a gate. But either way it goes, you gotta shut it if you don't want them in there. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Been appreciating all the comments and stuff getting on there and all my likes and whatnot. I'd like to get me a few more subscribers anyway. That'd be alright. Tell everybody you know, right? Share it on Facebook, all that good stuff. Yeah, they still ain't finished all that up over there. Rolled out last night, so I ain't gonna roll no more out than I have to, just in case. Like I say, it's still March. Could take out, could snow. So, you know, that grass is coming on up out there too. It's been warm here the past few days. Right up in the 70s and the 60s and stuff like that. I'll make that old grass come alive. Then it gets cold again, then stun it. Those old donkeys. There's old Dookie. How you, Duke? Oh yeah, everything's alive and well today. Hello, bull. How you, bully bull? That's the baby bull there. Pretty little calf. Calves are growing like a weed every day. I ain't getting a little bit used to you when you come around them every day. So kind of just grow on you a little bit. Hey, look there's old red cow with the bull. What you done, bull? Huh? What you done? What you done, cow? Hello, red cow. Huh? Yeah, look there. Red cow didn't even want to speak to us today. What's wrong with her? Hello, pretty calf. That's a pretty calf right there. Fine, we'll see what old red cow has done today. She'll be mad now. Like, here comes that idiot again. Hello, red cow. How you, girl? Huh? How you? You doing alright? Huh? Are you doing alright? Are you gonna give me sugars? Huh? You hateful thing. What, you don't want to hit the bull, do you? Huh? What you doing? Nothing? Nothing? Huh? Nothing? Hey, buddy. Bless her little heart. She still kisses butterflies. Oh, yeah. Little babies are doing good. Found her a little warm place to lay down. Since that sun's went out of the clouds over there behind the clouds, it's sort of kind of got a little chilly. There's old tornado. What you doing? Calipers are looking good. Pretty calves. There's old Speckle Face and her baby. Hey, you girl. Got pretty babies. Pretty babies. No hateful things. Tell you what. Bless her heart. Alright, that's the herd for this evening. Appreciate your likes and commenting and subscribing. And all that stuff. Like I say, it's fixing to break loose here. Fixing to be bombarded with work. You know, both places, here and Duncan's and whatnot. It's slowly a coming, you know. But now, like I say, winter ain't over with yet. We still could get snow, and that don't necessarily mean in March. Hello, we could get it in April, you know. I mean, it could happen. It's happened before. But we just try to manage the best we can. That's all we can do. But if you don't care, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Share it on Facebook. Tell everybody, you know. And I love you and I mean it. And now Jesus loves you way more than I do. See if I can find this off button. I'm gonna go aggravate my granddaughter. Let me see here if I can find it. I think it's right here. It's for you, Dave. Found it!